What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and I was with Eyes on the State and the Watchman down in Sand Key Park. There's a fishing pier out in Sand Key. It's in Clearwater, and we had a good time, and we met some people that were actually shocked me because the gentleman that I spoke to actually got his rights reinstored. So he is able to possess a firearm now, and then he was, very interested about the law and all that stuff. So we're basically just going to get into this video, let you see the good stuff, and let's do it. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. All those links will be in the description. Subscribe to those two guys' channel as well. Tell them Soliaker sent you, and we're going to get into it. Soliaker, deuces.
What's going on, guys? Yeah, y'all living the dream. What's up? You like that? You like that fishing rod? Look down. That fishing reel, you just shit, dog. Shit. You can do the same thing, long as you can lawfully possess a firearm.
You know what's funny? You're only looking at the only felon that actually can. Really?
Yeah?
That part.
You reinstored your rights? Good for you, brother.
Yeah,
Good for you, man.
like that, baby.
Yeah, that thing's nice.
I do. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Sexy.
Yeah.
Hey, her name's
Oh, look, where you coming?
See, you like?
Oh, you got the GoPros and everything?
Oh,
What
yeah.
y'all looking for?
Fish.
I know
We're fishing, but we're seeing what we'll catch today. It might not be a fish, but we might catch something else. Yeah, man. Check us out on YouTube. If you can remember, Armed Fisherman. The Armed Fisherman.
I don't think that's going to be that hard in the state of Florida.
Remember that?
Really?
I'm at 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
Armed Fisherman?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yep.
Insta? No Insta?
I have Instagram, but it's under Solo Yacker.
Solo Yacker?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. Easy to find?
Easy to find, not hard to find.
You should be able
Or
to find
you just type in open carry fishing, and you'll find it.
I got you.
All right, man.
You will get one more follower than
Yeah. Well, you'll be on the next video too. Oh, got him.
Be safe, you guys.
Yeah, that one's broken and dilapidated. Yeah. What's going on, guys? Catch anything? What you catching? Snapper? Grouper? Croakers. Or, whiting? Yeah. Oh, we'll see what happens. Cool, man. Oh, nice. Nice little sheepies.
He ain't 12, though.
No, but it's still a good fish.
Oh, yeah.
Sheep's head. Man, now I just learned the trick. Get a pyramid weight and drop them right underneath the dock. Structure. I thought I had a jacket in my car. As a matter of fact, if y'all want this shrimp, it's all dead shrimp. I'm not, because I'm gonna use this last one, and I think I'm done. I'm not gonna deal with this cold. I'm too tropical. I like South Florida.
I did hook a sheep's head earlier, straight in the hook.
Oh yeah? Hey, have you ever had a sheep's head bite through and break your hook by biting through it? Dude, we were fishing for pinfish, small fish, and we were bait fishing them. I hooked into a good one, clamped through, and snapped the hook. I was like, holy cow, I never seen that before.